In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep QuickBooks Online in Classic View. If you prefer the more traditional QuickBooks layout, this is a very simple adjustment you can make. The Classic View gives you the detailed navigation panel on the left side, which many users find easier to work with, especially if you're used to an older QuickBooks Online interface, or you just want quicker access to more tools and sections in one place. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is where many account and interface settings are located. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the menu. When the menu appears, scroll down toward the bottom. You're looking for the option that says Switch to Accountant View. Once you find it, click on it. As soon as you do that, QuickBooks will update your workspace and change the navigation style. After the switch is complete, your account should display the classic, more detailed left side navigation menu. This is the traditional view that many users prefer because it keeps more features visible and organized in a familiar way. If your goal is to keep QuickBooks Online in Classic View, this is the setting you'll want to use. One thing to keep in mind is that this changes the way your workspace is displayed, not your actual company data. So you're not changing transactions, reports, or account information. You're simply adjusting the interface so it's easier to navigate in the style you prefer. If the screen doesn't seem to update right away, give it a moment to refresh. In some cases, you may want to reload the page just to confirm that the classic navigation has fully applied. Once it's active, you can continue using QuickBooks with that traditional left-hand menu, and that's all there is to it. Open the gear icon, select Switch to Accountant View, and QuickBooks Online will move you back to the classic style layout. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference if you want a more detailed and familiar navigation experience.